Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I deliver a lecture on array with pointers. As we discussed earlier, array and pointers also. So now we are going to discuss array with pointers. First we take example. In this program, we have an array of B which contain 5 elements. So this is the memory map of array which contains 5 elements, the values of 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so on, and addresses of each element. Suppose we assume 100 is the base address. The address of first element is called base address. In the next statement, we have two variables. First one is integer I is simple variable, that is called ordinary variable, and k is pointer type variable which takes address of integer variable. Pointer is a variable which takes address of another variable. So here we create k type pointer variable. In the next statement, we store address of inside k, address of v of 4. The address of fourth element is 108 minus 4. When we subtract address, it subtracts depends on data size of data type. So 4 means 4 multiply 2, because integer will take 2 bytes of memory. So it will deduct 108 minus 8, that is 100. So k holds 100 address. In other words, we can say the value of k is 100. So k directly points here. K directly point first element of array. In the next statement, there is a for loop which will execute 5 times 0 to 4. First time value of I is 0, 0 less than 4 condition is fully satisfied, then control will enter inside a loop k, k means 100, there is asterisk, it represents pointer or value at address. The value of this address is 100 is 10. So first time it will print value 10. Next time we will increase value of k plus plus. Each time when we increase the address, it will depends on size of data type. So when we increase 100 plus plus, it will increase by 2 because it holds integer address. So now it point 102. So it point here. Again we will increase I plus plus. So now value of I is now 1. 1 less than 4 condition is again true. Control enter inside a loop k. In this time value of k is 102 and value operator. Value of 102 is 20. Now it will print 20 here. Then k plus plus. Now k will point next memory location, that is 104. Again value of I in next time increase, now it becomes 2. Condition is satisfied, k is 104. Value operator here, it point value 30. So now this time printf will print value 30. Next time it will print 40 and again it will print similarly 50 here. Again I plus k plus plus will point next memory location, that is 1010, and I plus plus. Now value of I is now 5 after executing 5 less than equal to 4, now condition is false, control goes outside the loop. So, why this example we can easily learn how pointer will work with array. Now, discuss second example. In this example, we have an array which contain 5 elements. The value of the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Indexing of name of array is A and indexing begin from 0 onwards. A of 0, this is the base address of array, and we already know array elements are stored in consecutive memory locations. So, this is the memory map of this array. In the next statement, we have two variables. First one is I variable and second one is PTR variable. PTR is pointer, asterisk represents pointer. PTR is pointer type variable which holds address of integer. This is the PTR. Suppose we consider the address of PTR is 300 now. In the next statement, there is a for loop PTR assignment address of A of 0. Now, PTR will take value of address of A of 0. The address of A of 0 is 100. It means PTR will point first element of array, that is A of 0. Second condition statement, PTR is less than address of A of 4. PTR is 100 and address of A of 4 is 108. So, 100, PTR is 100, this one is 100, is less than equal to 108. Condition is fully satisfied. So, control enter inside a body of for loop. Inside a for loop, we can see there is a PTR. The value of PTR is 100. Before PTR, it preceded by pointer, value operator. Value at 100, value at 100. So, it print 0 first time. Next time, control goes to PTR plus plus. Now, PTR value will be increased by default 2 because it takes integer address. So, now PTR is 102. Again, we check the condition, PTR is less than address of A of 4. Now, PTR is 102. 102 is less than 108. Condition is fully satisfied. Control enter inside a for loop. And now PTR is 102 and value at this PTR, it will point here. So, value of 102 is 1. Now, it print 1. Again, control move here, this place PTR plus plus. Now, PTR will point 104. PTR will point 104, this location. Again, we check the condition, PTR is less than address of A of 4. It means 104 is less than 108, less than equal to. So, condition is fully satisfied once again, and it will print PTR 104 and value of this PTR is 2. Now, it will print 2. Similarly, it will print 3 and 4 here. So, this program will give output 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is 3 and next one is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we are going to discuss third example of array with pointers. We have an array A, the value of array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have two variables, first one is I variable and second one is PTR variable. PTR is pointer variable which takes address of another variable. In the next statement, PTR we assign the value address of A of 0 will store inside a PTR. So, PTR value will be 100 and value of I is 0. This is the condition, I less than equal to 4. Condition is fully satisfied because I is 0. Control enter inside a loop. Here we are printing PTR of I. What is the meaning of PTR of I? The meaning of PTR of I is PTR plus I asterisk. What is the PTR? PTR is because it takes the base address. Base address is 100, I is 0, there is value operator, that is 100, value at memory location 100 is 0. So, it will print 0 first time. Again I plus plus, now value of I becomes 1, 1 less than equal to 4, condition is fully satisfied, control enter, PTR of I second time, this time PTR is 100 plus I, value of I is 1 into data size of data type, that is 2 asterisk. This is the full form of this statement. So, it indicate value at 102 memory location, that is 1. So, it print 1 after 0. Next time value of I becomes 2, 2 less than equal to 4, condition is again satisfied, PTR of I, this time PTR is 100 once again, I is 2, this time 2 into 2, that is 104, and value at this 104 is 2. Similarly, it will print 3 and 4. So, output of this program 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we can easily learn or we can easily study array with pointers. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpu.com. Thank you.